I know I'm not dreaming of such a lovely place. The beautiful sunshine and the gentle breeze, the wonderful people and the deep blue sea. Yeah, this must be Jamaica. That's where you want to be. Come to Jamaica.